Let's go to the beach and have some fun today. We'll go swimming, enjoy playing, spend a fun time all together in the sun. Build sand castles, catch some waves, jump in the water and splash around happily. Run on the shore, right on the sand. Bounce a ball, play racquetball, and throw a frisbee. Fly a kite, eat ice cream, cover Daddy with sand up to his head. Relax a bit, get a tan. Always use sunscreen when you are in the sun. Summertime, sunny day. Let's go to the beach and have some fun today. We'll go swimming, enjoy playing, spend a fun time all together in the sun.